I think, I've always had high esteem for astronauts in the past because of what they get to do and what, they've taken the risk to fly in space and to go places where very few people have been before. But, we don't look at it that way amongst ourselves. We just look at it, it's a job, albeit a great job, but it's something that we love to do, and we're just very lucky we actually get paid to do it. I love my time at UC Berkeley. It was a great school, a really neat experience. I picked engineering because I was good in science and math in high school, and I thought that'd be a good field to be in, but I originally actually picked aeronautical engineering, but when I sent my application in and got the letter back saying you've been accepted to Cal, it said you've been accepted in mechanical engineering. I'm like, mechanical engineering, what's that? And so I wasn't sure what it was, but I called over and they told me it's very similar to aeronautical engineering, and so I took some classes and kept going and ended up staying 4 years in a major I really hadn't planned on majoring in. At U of H, I was going to school there while I was working here as an engineer, so it was a little bit harder because I had to, work during the day and then go to school at night and study at night. So it was tricky, but it was kind of fun. I enjoyed doing my day job and then doing something different at night, studying industrial engineering. Well, I've been here for 18 years. I was part of the class of 1996. So we came here and had our 2 years of basic astronaut training. And then we had various jobs in the astronaut office while we were waiting to be assigned. So I worked developing some of the procedures for the space station, and I worked as a Capcom in the control center for the International Space Station. And then got assigned to my first mission, STS-110, and flew in 2002 to the space station. We put an external truss called the S0 truss on the space station. And I got to do 2 spacewalks as the rookie spacewalker then. And then a few years later, I got assigned to STS-122, which was to add the European Columbus laboratory module onto the space station. And my job was to be the lead spacewalker there, so I did 3 more spacewalks and helped attach and outfit and get the Columbus module ready for use. And then my final flight was in 2011. It was the final space shuttle flight, STS-135. And that was a resupply mission to go to the space station to stock it up before the space shuttle stopped flying. Well, I was always interested in space, and from my young child I thought it would be great to be an astronaut to fly in space someday, but I really didn't think it was possible necessarily, so it was kind of one of those things you put on the back burner. But as I went along in my career and got some of the experience that NASA was looking for, I figured it would be worth really pursuing and to trying hard to get there.